Hi loves, I'm your girl Yan and welcome back to my channel. Before we start, I want to introduce myself first. As you all know, my name is Yantel Alexandra C. Lucanop and I'm from Hume's grade 11-7. Today, I will be teaching you guys exact and ordinary interest. So, let's get right to it. Find the actual and approximate time between October 10, 2022 to January 25, 2023. Tapos isulat nyo kung ilang days ang meron sa isang buwan, tapos i-minus nyo kung ano man yung provide na day. Isusulat naman natin kung ilang days yung mga binanggit para alam natin kung ilan yung total ng actual at approximate. Sinulat ko na kung anong day nag-end, tapos isusulat ko na rin kung anong day nag-start. So, sa November, 30 na lang siya. Sa December, 31. Sa approximate, lahat yan 30. So, ang total ng actual ay 107 at ang total naman ng approximate time ay 105. Danica loaned 25,000 with a simple annual interest rate of 5% on June 20, 2022 and was paid on February 16, 2021. Find the exact interest using actual time, exact interest using approximate time, ordinary interest using actual time, and ordinary interest using approximate time. Gaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, sinulat ko muna yung mga months para hindi tayo malito at para alam natin kung ano yung actual sa approximate time. Sa month of June, parehas 30 minus 20. Sa July naman is 31. Sa month of August naman is 31 din. Sa September naman ay 30, October 31, November 30, December 31, January 31, and of course February is 16. Gaya lang sabi ko, pares sila 10. The rest ng month ay 30. Ngayon, binibilang ko kung ilang 31s at 30 para mas madali nating masolve. So, ang total ay 241. Kaya dito, binilang ko rin kung ilang 30s para mas madali nating masolve. Ang total naman sa approximate time ay 236. Ngayon, balik tayo sa solving. Ngayon na alam na natin kung ilang days sa actual at approximate time, masasolve na natin siya. Again, yung formula, interest is equals to principal times rate times number of days and nakadepende kung exact or ordinary interest yung hinahanap. So dito, sinulat ko lang yung actual at exact interest, kaya 365 days. So, i-distribute na natin 25,000 parenthesis 0.05 parenthesis times 241 over 365. Ngayon, ang total ay 825.34. Ngayon, balik tayo sa exact interest using approximate time naman. Ang total ulit ng approximate time ay 236. Kaya, ayan, tandaan natin. Ngayon, 236 naman over 365. Same formula lang po yan. Ang nagkaiba lang po ay yung actual at approximate time. Ngayon, ang total naman po ay 808.22. Ngayon, dito naman tayo sa ordinary interest using actual time. Dito na po magbabago yung 365 na magiging 360 po. Kinopya ko lang po yung 241 pero pinalitan ko rin po yung 365 na 360. Ngayon po, ang total ay 836.80. Ngayon, ordinary interest naman using approximate time. Again, 236 po ang approximate time natin, pero over 360 naman po. So, ang magiging total niyan ay 819.4. Gabriel borrowed 120,000 with a simple annual interest of 10% and was made on January 20 and was due on April 25 of the year 2008. Find the ordinary interest using actual time. Ang rate naman po natin ay yung 10%. Lagi po nating tatandaan na i-divide palagi sa 100 kung ano man po yung rate natin. So, ilan na nga yung magiging number of days natin? Ngayon, isusulit ko ulit yung mga buwan para hindi tayo malito sa pagkakasolve. So again, January got 31 days minus 20 is equals to 11. February got 29 days. Yung March naman merong 31 days and April got 25. So, ang total natin is 96 days. Ngayon, ang formula natin is I is equals to PR times number of days over 360. Kasi ordinary interest po ang hinahanap natin. So, 120,000 parenthesis 0.10 times 96 over 360. So, ang magiging total po natin is 3,200. Ngayon, it's your turn to answer. So, pause this if kailangan mo ng time to solve. Ngayon, principal natin is 20,000. Tama ba kayo? Our rate naman is 15% or 0.15. Dito tama ba kayo? 30 minus 16 is 14. The month July and August got 31 days. September naman got 21 since dun siya nag-end. Ilan naging total number nyo? So, ang sagot ko ay 97 days. Again, paki-check if tama yung mga formula na gamit nyo. Interest is equals to PR times number of days over 365 kung exact interest ang hinahanap. 360 naman kung ordinary interest yung hinahanap. Again, i-distribute na natin. 20,000 parenthesis 0.15 parenthesis times 97 days over 365 days. And the total is 797.26. Tama ba kayo? Exercise number 2, Cloud loaned 50,000 with a simple annual interest rate of 15% on December 20, 2023 and was paid on May 20, 2024. Find the A. Exact interest using actual time, B. Exact interest using approximate time, C. Ordinary interest using actual time, and D. Ordinary interest using approximate time. I'll give you time to solve, kaya i-pause nyo to kung hindi pa kayo tapos. So ngayon, gaya ng ginagawa ko lagi, sinusulat ko yung mga months para hindi tayo malito at alam natin yung actual sa approximate time. December got 31 minus 20 is equals to 11. Approximate 30 minus 20 is equals to 10. January got 31 days. February naman got 29. March got 31. April got 30 and May naman got 20. Again, sa approximate, lahat yan 30 except sa una kung kailan nag-start at kailan nag-end yung time. So the total of actual time is 152. And then approximate time got 150. Again, mag-solve na tayo ulit. Mind you guys, the formula is interest is equals to PR times number of days over 365 kung exact interest. Again, actual is equals to 152. So, kokopyahin natin yung 152 over 365. Again, let's distribute 50,000 parenthesis 0.15 times 152 over 365. Yan, isipin nyo muna at i-recheck nyo kung tama ba yung magiging sagot nyo. So, if you got 3,123.29, tama ka. Letter B naman, again, exact interest but approximate time. So, approximate time got 150. So, ayan, let's solve na ulit. Again, copy lang, but 150 over 365. Again, isip-isip muna kayo, i-finalize nyo yung mga sagot nyo. So, if we got 3,082.19, may tama ka ulit. Again, ito na kapag ordinary interest, wala kayong papalitan sa formula, kundi yung 365 ay gagawin yung 360. Again, ordinary at actual time. So, actual time is ilan? 152. 160 naman kasi ordinary interest. So, kung nakuha nyo ay 3,166.6, tama ulit. The last one naman is ordinary interest using approximate time. Again, interest is equals to 50,000 parenthesis 0.15 times 150 over 360. Ayan, isip na kayo ulit. I-recheck nyo kung tama ba. So, kung nakuha nyo ay 3,125, ang galing, may natutunan ka, girl. Before I end this video, please keep in mind that mathematics teaches us to think logically, creatively, and precisely, beyond just numbers and formulas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification button. See you guys next time!